Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again, and I'm really late. I'm sorry. We're gonna try to burn through this as fast as possible, but it might only be a 20-minute video tonight. Roxy says hello, and let's get into it. And there's the other one of those. And these are going to Frances. Frances claimed the other one of these. So, Frances gets her wish. Oh, there's a cute little thing with a bunch of stones missing. That'll go into the craft lot. There's a hoopy earring. And Patty's accessories. 3 pairs of hoops. Ooh, yeah, 3 pairs of hoops. Plain silver. These are from Europe. Looks like €5.95 Euro. 9.90 CHF, whatever that is. There's some more. Some of those, and I did not get a new thingy. I did get rid of the black, so maybe the brown will be a little more kind on the eyes. Holy moly. Heavy wevy. Okay, this is not an earring, thank goodness, but it is enameled copper, and it's really awesome. Pendant. It's textured. Alright, what do we got here? We got a matching bracelet for, oh, dang it. Wait a minute, what? Is it gonna fit? Yeah. I have the necklace for this somewhere. I don't think I put it in the crafty lot. I think I put it in this wearable lot that I was gonna put up for grabs. Where'd it Well, I'll have to check that out later. I'm pretty sure it's in that medium box. Here's a one of these, a very, very sparkly one of these, and I think getting rid of that black helped. Y'all were right. Some of that, and one of these. I think I've already seen one of these. That's a broken thing, so there's going to be a lot of things that are, oh my gosh, do you play tennis? Look. It's a brooch, and I have a matching tie clip upstairs. Oh, Buffy, we must wear our tennis jewelry to the club this evening. For brunch. No, for brunch after tennis, right? Right? You didn't wear that to dinner. But yeah, it's matching. One for Buffy and one for Biff. Look at it. Here's a faux green stone set in a lovely gold tone plastic. Big giant earring. Heck, that's almost a bracelet. Big old thing. Oh my gosh, look at all the tinies. Oh, sorry, Miss Roxy. She got knocked over. Stretchy. Another stretchy. There's a big old cognac colored glass earring. Hook. I think, whoa, dang. I think the other one's in the other room. Here's a pair of lovely little, in a bag, why? These are nice. I got rhinestones and then a central rhinestone. They're really cool. Those are mid-century modern. You can kind of tell by the way things are put together. Or 70s at least, because there was a lot of dangly posty stuff going on back then. There's your bump. Trust me, I was there. I know a lot of you were too. That is an interesting one. It kind of glows under this lamp, but without the lamp, like that. So, it looks way better in the lamp. Here's a pair of lever backs with melon beads and little glass dangles. And some Swarovskis. These are nice. They might even be sterling. I don't know. I would have to check them. So they're going in the check it pile. This is turquoise or magnesite or something faux. I don't know. I don't know what it came off of. Probably an earring. Here's one of them. A clippy. Another mid-century looking one. It's a little butterfly. And he was tied onto something. But is no longer. And we have a very nice bracelet. Or it was a very nice bracelet. It does not have a clasp right now. It's kind of cool. I like it. It's like, it's a silver tone chain with a gold chain running through it. You see that? It's different. Too bad it's messed up. Here's a tie clip with little waves on the edge. Whoop. Jumpy little thing. There's a little heart earring that I think I've seen before. This one I've seen before. There's a little pin with, I don't know what that is. RRI. Here's a piece of a busted earring. I know right where that came from. Ooh, there's a dangly one. 80s danglies. Here's one of these guys. Very sparkly. Not sure what that, oh my gosh, it's a little charm that's a high chair. Look at, adorable. There's another twisty thing you put in your hair. That'll go in, I have to get a bigger bag for these because there's more of them, and they're going to Miss Annette. Miss Annette. There's a little green guy. Lever back. And we have another handful. We're going to get through the rest of this, I think, tonight. Oh, look, this is one of those old-fashioned hair clips. My mama used to put her pin curls in with these. That's cool. I could put that in my bun. Here's a little cuff link. Bow brooch. Oh, there's this. What's this? This is a broken one. The brooch is nice. It's in good shape. It doesn't have a name on it, though. Oh, so sorry, Roxy. Oh, I got a thing today. I got a Save a Fox Rescue calendar for 2021. I'll have pretty foxies, and I know all of their names. And I can't thank Lori enough for sending me that page, because I follow all the foxies. Oh, look. There's the other one of those. We have both of them. Here's a broken. Oh, it's a broken snowflake and a broken thingy there. And another broken thingy. All of the thingies are there, so that's going to be a pendant. What? Oh my gosh, it's an eyeball. It's an eyeball. Look, it's even got the little lines in it like your eyeball. It's creepy. It's a creepy eyeball next to the ring, but it's cute. Pewter paw. And a little necklace, or a little pendant on a bracelet. And a huggy with some cut work in it. And on one side, and rhinestones on the other, so they're reversible. You can wear that, or you could wear that. That's cool. I hope the other one of them is in there. Here's another tie bar with a chain. Very simple. Ooh, pretty steel bracelet. I like the work on that. I mean, it's probably nothing really, but I do like it. It does have a name on it. If I can get it off. Yes, I'm wearing my robe. I started late, so I'm in the jammies. Oh, hey, that's what I thought. It says China on it, but it's one of the nice ones. China makes good steel jewelry. There's a little vintage turtle. He's looks like oh, and it's got that little star on it for a mark. I forget who that is, but he's a sea turtle and a heffalump and a piece of something that is not in one piece. Oh, it's a shame. That was very, very vintage. Look at the embossed on the little. Oh, darn it! Here's another tie clip. Getting a bunch of those. This I don't know. These are all bleh. Oh wow. I don't know what that says. Hold on a moment. Gram Maton Tetra. That's really cool. It's an earring, and it says on the back it says YTSEKPM, whatever that means. This is a fun ear, really, really heavy. Missing stones, darn it. Oh, it's Kenneth Cole. This stuff never holds up. I don't know why. For as expensive as it is, it just doesn't seem to do. This is a crown for Fari. Crown for Fari. See the little crown? Hope I find the other one of those. Circle pin. Here's another very tiny, tiny, tiny. Look. Look how tiny. Woo! What size is that even? It's a 2.5. What the heck? I can wear it there. It might be sterling. I don't know. It might be sterling. This one's got coral and some other stones. Looks like clear quartz, and I don't know what the green ones are. There is a cat's eye in there too, but these ones down here are something different. There's a word for that, and I don't know what it is. Can't remember. Trashy, trashy. That. I've got 9 minutes. Here is a broken thing. Has some pretty beads on it. Broken thing. Copper heart. I don't think it's real copper though. Feels like plastic. There's one of those. And, ooh, one of these. This is stone. I'm not sure what kind of stone. Maybe bumblebee jasper? Oh, look. This is nice. It's got little fetishes on it. Little fetish birds. Wow. That's a nice one. Baby shoes. That goes with the high chair, I would think. There's one of these. There's one of those. That doesn't feel real. It doesn't feel like stone. Holy moly, what? Another very tiny ring. Look. It's another one. And this one's only a 2. What in the heck? Getting a lot of those in here. Very tiny. This is a beautiful little crystal guy on a really bad chain. So we'll probably take him off of there. That goes in the craft lot. That goes in the craft lot. And this is pretty. It's a little flower with a tassel. Oy. Oh no. Okay, this is the other one of those. This is beautiful. It's one of those really sparkly ones. Here's a yellow mustard colored bent earring. That's gonna go bye-byes. Brass. Here's another. Looks like it's missing a stone in the middle. Dang it. Another itsy bitsy one. This one says love. You can barely see it. Look how tiny. Alright, this is freaking me out how many tiny rings there are. This one's a 3. It's a 3. I can't even get it to where I can wear it on my knuckle. This is all like kids' jewelry or what? What's the deal? Oh, that looks awesome with that. Because it's rose gold. Oh, man. Oh, they're made to stay on, hey? Okay. Ooh, look at this smoky earring. Very pretty. There's a little Hello Kitty that broke off of something. Yeah. Another earplug made of plastic. Bead. Another clippy. Another clippy. And, ooh, look, an even smaller clippy. Teeny tiny. This one's not roses. This one is, daisies. And there's that. And there's that. These go over here. Yep. Here is this 70s. Oh, it's broke. And we have a little knot. And a little, oh my gosh. Remember these? Teeny tiny ones. Hoop. Hook earring, hairpin. Here's a little gold bead on a gold chain drop. Here's a glass bead drop. A lot of this is going in the... This is a real pearl. This is going to go in with the pendants, I think. Pendant. Another little ring that is much bigger than this one. Hold on. It's probably, oh my gosh, it's probably huge. It's probably a 3. There's a brass one. And here is a hoop earring with a thing on it. Whoop. Little huggy hoop. We're at 15, which means we're going to be done in 5. So we're not going to get through the whole thing. Cute little cross. It's missing a bunch of stuff. Here's the other one of those. It's broken as well, so no biggie. They're both busted. There's one of those. And Mayo Clinic, 15 years, serving humanity. That was a pin. What is this? It's a little teeny tiny bag. Ooh. Little double pearls with pearl missing. Dems is going into the crafty lot. Look at that little froggy. He's missing his sword. But he's a good one for crafting too. There's a black knot. A little ebony wood set in silver tone. Oh wait, no, it's not ebony wood. Look what it is. It's one of these. Remember when they weren't bands, they were a big oval cab? I haven't seen any of those. There's a little earring. Little bow peep. Yeah. There's the bead. Whoa, sorry, rolling away. And there's another itsy bitsy ring. These are all definitely for that. Little bitty things. There's another one. That one feels like a better quality of ring. Yeah. Little golden turquoise colored stud. And a couple more of these. You go over there. Ooh, there's the other one of those. We've seen that before. Another one of these. Another one of these. Oh, that's cute. So much stuff for the craft lot, I swear. Ooh, little sunflower. And that's neat. It's a little fall of chains with hoops on. Sweet. We've got 2 minutes if we're going to do a 20-minute one, which I think we will. This is all shell. Very pretty cubes of shell. White. That, I think, someone has spoken for. Pull that out. I'm pretty sure somebody wanted that. Ow, if I can dig out the other one. I think it's in her box already. And those go in there. Here's some very plain pearl clippy backs. No name. And what the heck is that? I don't know. It's a little pin, but I don't know what it depicts. picked. It's the back of someone, and I don't know what the heck he's doing. There's a very blingy one. It's missing some pieces. Speaking of missing pieces, there's a big rhinestone. There's one of them. Is that a Labris? I don't know. Labris. There's one of those, and there's one of these. It's a piece of... No, it's not. Wait. Yeah, it is. It's just a piece of chain. We're at 20, which is where I am stopping right now. Pretty much. Because I have to upload this and make another one, and it's like late already. This is a Hickok, and it's the key that matches the... key cufflink that I threw in the craft lot. Oh boy. There's an earring. Let's just get through these guys and then we'll stop. This is really goofy looking. There's that. And there's that. That looks like a freaking tooth. It's not though, it's a piece of shell. That is broken. I don't know what it broke off of, but it's gorgeous. It's got these beautiful auroras on it. Oh, I hate when that happens. Dang it. There's a little earring. Another little earring. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's an earring. Goes like this. Boop. Pearl earring. And a little coiny dangly one. Very rustic looking. And a heart. Seen better days. Very worn. Crafty. And then here's this little triangular guy with opalite on the bottom. So we're going to call it good. I want to thank everybody for being here. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think of the 20-minute-ish video. Because I think I might have to start doing 20-minute ones because of the amount of comments and purchases that go on. If I do a 30-minute one, there are so many people in the comments. I'm not complaining. But for me to get through them all, it takes me about 3 hours to get through them all and to pull out all the things that were spoken for and all that. It's a big thing, and I love doing it for you. I would just like to slow down a little bit. I love each and every one of you. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down there. If you see something you can't live without, put your timestamp of the item you would like in the comments below, or you could send me an email with that same information. My email is in my description, and you could send me the timestamp, the title of the video, and the date that it was posted so that I can find the item that you would like. Please remember that I love each and every one of you, and be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Roxy says bye.